Annyeong, I'm Fat Papa. Why I say Korean? The reason is today I want to show you the food review on McDonald's BTS Meal. Let us begin. Hi, I'm Fat Papa. If this is your first time watching my video, I do cooking recipe, food review, and unbox the food related product. Before we start, can you help me? Please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. So on the title, today you see it. Today, McDonald's has the new meal called BTS Meal. What is that? BTS is one of the most popular 7 boys group band for singing, and they cross over with McDonald's and they have the BTS meal. So what is that? The BTS meal, it means it's like the medium fries. They have a medium drink. I upgraded to the large drink, but they have a medium drink, and then they have 10 pieces chicken McNugget, and they have 2 limited new sauce. It's limited. They did not say how long it is, but for now, they say it's limited. So I will say like not like for long, like probably 2-3 weeks or a month. So which 2 sauce they are? They have the sweet chili, it's a spicy one, and then they have the Cajun. They have the Korean one on top too. And I am a little bit disappointed. The reason is that the BTS band, they have the crossover, the merchandise with the McDonald's. They are this time they use is purple color. I thought it will be more purple. End up is like only, even the sauce is one kind of them is purple. That is not the big deal for the meal. So let me try the sauce, see how they are, and then the price is just the regular 10-piece chicken McNugget meal. They are not like marked up more or less. They're just the regular. Only the difference is they have the limited sauce. So let me try the sweet chili first. If I smell it, it really like the barbecue sauce they have. A little bit sweet, like than the regular barbecue sauce. So let me try it. They are sweet and spicy, and the sauce. You asked me if you have tried the Korean chicken wing those. Sometimes they will like they have the spicy sauce. It's close to that. It's not spicy, but the taste is close to that. And if you didn't, I would say another thing is similar is that you go to the eat the Thai food. If you order something is fried, the fried shrimp or those, that they will give you a sauce, the a little bit clear red color sauce, and then it's pretty close to that. And the taste is good. Good taste is like for the chicken McNugget is a good taste. So it's not like the barbecue sauce, they're dark brown, and then they have the spicy flavor in it. It's good. It merged with the chicken McNugget, so it's not bad at all, not bad. So let us try the Cajun, see how this one will be. Just like for the sweet chili, they have a little bit chili on there, but the Cajun one, they have a fire on it. So I hope it's not really spicy one. There's the sauce color is like that. It's cream. This sauce is different. They are more creamy, more spicy. I would say it a little bit like the Cajun sauce I had before, but not that heavy. It's like more light. Like they're spicy, but like besides spicy, like it won't be like soy. It's a really light taste, light creamy taste, and then a spicy one. For both sauce, kind of like the spicy, like this one was spicier than the sweet chili. But if you ask me how it merged with the chicken McNugget, I will recommend this one, the sweet chili. It's merged with the chicken McNugget and I think tastes better. I will say sweet chilies. And the Cajun is not bad, but I think a little bit too creamy with the chicken McNugget. Besides that, like both of them is spicy. And it's just a little bit more spicy or a little bit less, like it won't be much different. And then the taste, this is like Cajun sauce, more light. And this one since they sweet, so the flavor is come out more strong. So the sweet chili, the flavor come out more strong, and then it merge with the fried. Anything that fries, I think it will be merged. And then the chicken McNugget is pretty good with that. I won't say the Cajun not really good, but I will say if like you remove it, only the chicken inside, you put in this sauce, I will say pretty good. The chicken McNugget though, the outside they have some seasoning, so you cover up because like I say the flavor is like more light than the sweet chili. So when you eat it, like you don't really taste out. You have some spicy, creamy, and I cannot really tell the other flavor in there. But the sweet chili is different. At least I feel sweet, and then spicy, and it merged with like the fried food. Then now let me try. The sauce is not only for the chicken McNugget. I like to dip it with the French fry too. The sweet cheese, it will good on the French fries too. I like that texture and flavor. What surprised me is the Cajun sauce is good with the French fry. Let's think as like the cheese French fries. You don't taste the cheese flavor, of course, but the texture is good, and then you have some spicy on it, and then with the French fries it's good. If you eat the French fries, get this one to try. It's not bad at all. But if for the chicken McNugget, I will say get this one. I did ask them to give me one of each sauce. That's the case in future, so I will eat chicken McNugget with the sweet chilies, and then I will eat the French fry with the Cajun sauce. It's pretty good. But this time it's not bad at all. The McDonald BTS meal, I like it. So I hope the information will help you. And if you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. 감사합니다. That means thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.